Hey guys, this is Kim. I'm here to talk about the new Ruby gem that I have just made. I've never done this before. Um, Hopefully, this won't be my last time because that was a lot of fun to build. So, the gem is called Digital Nomad Jobs. Um, it scrapes, what it does is it scrapes the website remoteok.io and it pulls job postings from that website. So the website has job postings that are related to fields like web development, web design, marketing, customer service, teaching, all that jazz. So what I really focused in on are the web development and the web design jobs, just because those two are usually correlated, and I'm personally just trying to. I'm in web development right now, so I am enjoying learning about it, and I know eventually. Right now I'm in school, but eventually I will probably hopefully be using this gem because I'm going to be looking for a job. Okay, so let's go ahead and play with it. So this gem allows the user to interact with the command line interface so that rather than just going to the website, they could just play with it right from the terminal. So let's go ahead and run this file. Let's go ahead. Digital Nomad jobs. All right, so the first thing you'll see here is the main menu. What are you looking for? Enter 1 for the latest web developer jobs, 2 for the latest UX, UI, and web design jobs, or 3 for the latest remote job postings. Or you can press 0 to exit if you're, ready to go get some ice cream or something. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter 1 because that's exactly what I'm interested in. And what this does, right now, this program is scraping that website. So it's scraping that web developer jobs page on remoteok.io. And once it scrapes it, it's going to come back to us, the user, and it's going to ask, would you like to see a list of the most recent job postings, or would you rather see a list of the companies hiring? Or you can just leave again to go get some ice cream. But right now we're on the job search. Okay, so let's go ahead and press 1 to see a list of the most recent job postings. All right, there they are. There are all the job postings. Yeah. So the way this list is organized is top to bottom from the most recent to going to the later date postings. Um, so as you can see, the application is made to list 20, just so to kind of reduce runtime there, but we can change that to run the whole website. So once you get this list, uh, you can go through it, you can read it, you can find any job postings that really interest you, and you can see more about each job posting. So say I'm looking at the software engineer iOS from the company Wikitude is hiring. So that's number 7. So I can go down here and I can enter the number of a job post for a detailed description. So I'm going to go and press 7 because I want to know more about that. And I'm going to get a detailed description of that job posting. So I can see the position, the company, how long ago it was posted, any kind of related skills that I would need to do this job, and a detailed description of it. If I want to learn more or apply to this job, I can go right ahead. The link is right here for me. And then, I can still play with this gem here. So if I want to see more information, I can either go back to the main menu, or I can go back to the list menu to go, um, you know, li- see this list again, or I can see that list of those job companies. So let's say like I want to do that. I want to go see a list of the job companies. So we're back at this list menu, which we were at a few moments ago. And instead of pressing 1, I'm going to press 2 so I can see the list of companies hiring. Okay, so yay, companies hiring. So there are 20 companies hiring here. Um, and I can enter a number of the company to see its recent job posts. So, wow, awesome. I'm going to enter 20 because look, Brain FM, I have a thing about brains. I love them. So anything with the actual word brain in it, I will most likely love. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter 20, and voila, I see Brain FM is looking to fill these positions. So it's right now it's got one position listed on that website, and that's for that full stack engineer, posted 3 hours ago. And this is a about section about the company. And then, again, I can visit the website here, the company website, related to that's on remoteok.io. And then again, I can also, back at this navigation menu, I can either go back to the main menu or I can go to the list menu. And let's go back to the main menu. All right, so we're back at the main menu, which we first saw when we opened this application. And when we first opened this application, we saw the latest web developer jobs. Now we can go, we've seen all the web developer jobs. Let's go ahead and see the latest web design jobs. So I'm going to go ahead and press 2. Okay, now again, the program is loading it's scraping all that information from that website to bring us the web design jobs. So it's just going to take a moment. And then after that, we can look at all the cool, fun, artsy design stuff. All right, so we're back at this list menu. So now, again, it's going to ask us, like, do you want to see a list of the jobs, or would you rather see a list of the companies in web design? I'm going to go ahead and say companies. All right, so we've got 20 companies that are hiring for people in web design. And then let's see, what do I want to do? What do I want to see? What do I want to find more about? I want to find out more about DuckDuckGo because that sounds awesome. So I'm going to press 2, enter the number of a company to see its recent job posts. I'm going to press 2, and voila, here we go. DuckDuckGo is looking to fill these positions, a front-end engineering team lead. And again, it's got that about section about the company and their URL. All right, and so basically that's what we can do with this CLI gem. I hope you guys enjoy it because I really enjoyed making it. Can't wait to make more. All right, and we can just exit when we're finished with that. Perfect.